ground, hear the freedom ring. Got my hat pulled down, hear the crickets sing. Been out chasing dreams, a wild eagle. From city lights to stars where the flow. But every mile I traveled, it was you on my mind. Now I'm back in the saddle, leaving trouble behind. I'm a cowboy coming home, hear the engines roar. The whole town knocking down my door. Raising flash trucks, let the good times roll. Yeah, it's a celebration, feeling free in my soul. Pulling up the driveway, see the light shine bright. Family and friends, it's a party tonight. Got the grill fired up, smell that barbecue.